Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download files from a Dropbox app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen that I already do have a Dropbox app that I've installed from Play Store. You can also get it through an App Store or Play Store, and after that, tap on it to open it. I do have a passcode, so I'm going to enter one. You can see that I'm on my home page right now of my Dropbox account. So to simply download any of the file, you can go to File section. I want to download one of the files from here or any of them, so I'm going to select one randomly. So you can see that you do have a double tick option on the very top right part just next to this download option. This means that if you're going to tap on this, you will be selecting all of the files present over here. So you can randomly select one or just choose all of them just like this. And when you're done, you can tap on this downward arrow, which means that this is an option of download just next to this double tick section, so tap on it. With it, you can see that your file has been modified. That means you've simply downloaded all of these. So this will turn into 100%, just wait for it. And simply after, when it's being 100% downloaded, all three of them, you will find this on your file manager or simply on your gallery. So this is how you do it. This is how you download files from a Dropbox account or app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.